Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are using the Narzo 90 and I'll show you how to enable auto screen rotation on your device. Before moving ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. So now let's begin into the video.